Right, let's just do a quick video of the, I'll show you the solar panels that I put up here. I'll drew through there with the 4 wires and another extension lead. And then I'll run them, come up under these tiles and then run the wires along there, and you can see where they come out from under there and join up to the solar panels there, all the way along. I might at some point put a bit of conduit in there just to tidy that up. I'll just prop them up so they don't sit in the water, but they're waterproof anyway, so it don't matter. Yeah, and then I've just got the 4 panels, the 4 450 watt solar panels there, all together. I just butted them together, put some blocks down, screwed the brackets, all these brackets from Selco, so I just screwed them into the block with some raw plugs, and then screwed the that top bit of the bracket into the solar panel, and then yeah, just put a, what's it like, 30 degree angle on that. Sits on that flat block there, and then this one stands up, and that's it. And then what I want to do on the roof there is put another 4 solars on there, another 4 times 450 watt solar panels on there, on rails and you know, the tile hooks, and then I'll drop that down. Yeah, I'll drop them that solar cable down. Yeah, through there again. Through there, I'll drill a hole through there for the other 4 cables. So that'll be 8. We'll have 8 solar panels up there then. Oh. And then, right, in my special door, look. This is where I put the missus. This is her house in here. I'll put her in here at night. Anyway, yeah, so there's me solar cables coming down there at the moment in some like sheathing with some extension leads as well, and then that goes into me Stream Ultra X, and they go in the back, look, into the 4 MPPTs. So that's 500 watts each MPPT, with a total of 2000 watts input from solar. And then what I've got here is the 2 AC sockets on the back, which outputs 1200 watts just for a single unit at the moment. But if you daisy chain it from here into another one of these units, you get 2300 watts out of the AC. But whatever you're putting into the house, you have to minus that off of the 2300, because that's 2300 is the max. And then I've got, what I've got here is the Aferiy P280, and that's plugged into the back of the Stream Ultra X there. So, and then what I've got here, if you can see it, is these AC sockets are powering extension leads that go into my kitchen. So yeah, they go into the kitchen. I've got one that goes to the kettle. I'll show you. Let's go in the kitchen quickly. Quickly show you.
Get ready for your big summer getaway.
Right, so I'm in the kitchen here, and there, my batteries are beyond. behind here in that little cupboard, and then I've got an extension lead that comes through from next door into here that powers my microwave, and then I've also got this extension here which powers my kettle and my air fryer. These are just temporary at the moment. I was just testing it out just to make sure it all works, you know what I mean? So yeah, at the moment there's no power to these, but what I have to do is just go into the app, the Aferiy app, and then turn on the AC socket on the back, and then that power from the AC socket on the back of the Aferiy P280 then powers the 2 extension leads that I've got in here, and then that powers pretty much everything. So that's about it at the moment. I'll maybe run through a few other things on another video, but that'll do for the minute. It's too hot to do anything else. Yeah, my putting green. That's my putting green. My strike net. Yeah, my barbecue and that. Some weights. Yeah, nice day today. South facing. Sun rises over there and goes all the way round and finishes up over there. So I'll get solar all the time, which is amazing. I think today the solar started at 5 o'clock and it'll probably go to about 7, half 7. But I mean, my batteries were full at half 11. I think they was full, or like fully charged. From, I think there was both. The Afreiy was down at about 33%, and the Stream Ultra X was at about 55, and they was both charged at well, about 12 o'clock. It's just for argument's sake, say 12. But the trouble is now I'm getting wasted solar from 12 o'clock till sort of 7 o'clock at night. Or no, not 7 o'clock at night, but from about 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock, I'm wasting me solar, really. So I need some more batteries to fill up. But that's about it. Right, over and out.